Hey Zamaria, I have the Group It one here that you requested. So to do this, hopefully you tried problem solving a little bit, but otherwise just reading through the steps on the left-hand side. So it just says grouping it, continue to the next step. And the whole purpose of this grouping it is right now if I take this red box and move it, you can see that it is not connected to the orange cylinder. So grouping it allows it to be grouped together and that it would be connected. So it says select the box on the left by clicking on the shape, hold the shift key on the keyboard, and then also select the orange cylinder. So I'm holding down shift on my keyboard and now I'm going to click on the orange cylinder, and now you can see it says 2. There are 2 shapes selected to indicate that's how many I have selected. And then it says with both shapes selected, click the group button on the toolbar. So up above here you'll see it says group it, and now they turn the same color, and it says continue to the next step. And then if you go back over here when I drag it, it is now connected together. That means it's grouped together. So that's ultimately what you need to do for this step. And I think that would be it. Yeah, that's it. So take a screenshot of that, showing it's the same color and that it's grouped together.